What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I'm back, guys. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and do me a favor. Click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, I'm going to do a quick review, another review on Press One Mobile. I've been an affiliate with this particular program since 2018, okay? So it's been around a while. Press One Mobile is a software, okay? It's nothing that you actually have to download. You're actually going to be able to get access to a marketing phone number, and you're going to be able to market this phone number, use this number to market any business, okay? So we're going to talk about this particular program. I'm excited about it. I've always worked the program because everybody carries a smartphone, guys. Technology. Okay, so this is going to be an awesome program. Let's talk about this, and we'll talk about the commissions and all that good stuff. So hang in there with me. Let's get into it. Okay, as you can see on the screen, this is my Press One Mobile number. 678-928-7745. Go ahead and give it a call so you can see exactly how this works. But you're going to be able to use this tool. This is a marketing tool. You can use it to promote Press One Mobile, okay? Or if you have an opportunity, another opportunity you want to promote, you can use this tool to do that, okay? So let's talk about that. People call, press 1, and receive your text and click your link. Okay, that's how it works. So let's go check it out. I'm on the website. This is what you will get as well. We all get this website. It does all the selling and telling for us right here. This 2-minute video. People watch this video. They read over this information. It's very simple. Gets to the point. It's not a lot of hype. It's just what it is. Okay, so here we go. Choose a number. Once you pay your $97, that's going to be the first step. It's $297 to get this system to become a reseller. $97 goes to the company. Once you pay that $97, they're going to send you an email. Then you go and you choose your number. Okay, it's going to be a random number that it's going to give you. You can choose the area code, and the system will create the number for you. And it creates this automatically, so you don't have to wait on your website to be set up. It's going to be set up instantly. Okay, and then people will press 1. They receive a text of whatever link you want them to go to. That's what I like about it. Like my number here. This number here, let's go back up here. This 678-928-7745. Call it. You'll see how I have it all set up, and I'm actually promoting. With that number, I'm promoting this system. But I have another one, and it promotes another opportunity. And we'll talk about that later on down the road. But that number I have set up to go to a capture page. I automate this stuff, okay, so it can do all the heavy lifting for me. So you get your number. You have the system pointed wherever you want it to go. If it's not this program, you can have it go wherever you want it to go. And you also earn $200 commissions every time someone purchases this software. Okay, you plug into the reseller program. It has a built-in one-up comp plan where you earn $200 for every sale. Every sale you make $200 instantly. Okay, and $200 on everybody's first sale. Okay, so when people join you, their first sale passes up to you. Okay, then after that, they're able to keep all their own $200 commissions. This is instant pay, 100% commissions. You get a back office. Okay, so you can track everyone that presses 1, or even if they hang up. Doesn't matter. When they call your number, your Press One number, their number is automatically in your back office. You will be able to see, and you can track it. You can export those numbers out if you so choose to. You can download them into a spreadsheet, a CSV file. And you can follow up with them on your own if you have another system to upload them into. So you get to keep all the phone numbers. So what do you get with this? Okay, you get your own text, SMS text phone number. You get 100 credits. This is automatically included. You get a website, which is the site I'm on right now. Back office with tracking and training. Built-in one-up comp plan. You get the resale rights. When you pay that $297, that gives you the resale rights to sell the program and make $200 commissions over and over and over. There's no monthly fees with this. Once you invest the $297, that's it. You don't owe the program any more money. Okay? The only thing that you will owe is your first sale will pass up, but the system will guide people in that direction. You don't have to worry about doing anything special. Okay? So you're able to earn $200 over and over because you invested that $297 one time. Okay? So here's the website. Let's just scroll through it. How much does it cost? When someone calls my number, you're given 100 free credits. When you purchase this system, when someone calls your phone number, that's 1 credit. And that will be deducted automatically. And then when they press 1, that's another credit. So it's 2 credits that will be deducted from your credit balance. You have 100 to get started. Okay? And additional credits can be purchased in your back office. Really reasonable. Okay? Well, I'll show you how much that is. So that's how it works. So how does it work? Prospects will call your number and they're assigned an auto text message and phone number. They listen to a short message. They press 1 and they're immediately sent your website or capture page, wherever you want them to go. That's what they're going to get. It's going to hit their cell phone. And all they have to do is click that link. It takes them right to the page you want them to go to. That's it. It's just that easy. Okay? So why you want to get this? You get prospects to your website in seconds. They get your sizzle message and the website in 1 minute or less. The Press 1 mobile makes accessing your capture page very simple. And you're able just to promote any business opportunity just by sharing a mobile number. It's just that simple. Okay? So $297. So how much are those credits? Because you're like, well, yeah, okay, I get 100. But how much is it if I want to buy more credits? Let me show you. I'm going to log into my back office. Hang on a second. Okay, I'm in my back office, and you'll see this too in your dashboard right here, guys. It's $10 to get 1,000 credits. If you want 1,500 credits, it's $15. It's very reasonable for the credits, so that shouldn't be a concern to you. 2,000 is $20, so it's very, very reasonable for these 1 cent per credit. Okay, so let's get into the back office. Let me show you that. Okay, you get a dashboard. Here in the dashboard, it shows you your Press 1 mobile marketing number right here. Then it shows you your actual Press 1 website. Okay, and right here is where you would change where it goes, because it's automatically, the system is automatically set up, okay, to go to your Press 1 mobile website. If you have another business opportunity you want to promote with this, you would just put that link right here and click update. You're done. So this program is where the system is set up automatically. You don't have to wait on your website to be created or anything. It's instant. Okay, the only thing you're going to have to do is go here when you log in, and it asks you right here, how do you want to receive your payments? You decide that, put it in this box, and hit update. That's it. You're ready to start sharing your number. That's it. Okay, now to the left right here are some resources. Okay, so we can click here, and it shows you some different resources you can use to help you promote this business. Okay, it even gives you some Craigslist sample ads right here. This is pretty powerful. Okay, if you want some additional resources on how to promote online using free marketing methods, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay, but they give you some stuff here to get you going, as well as training. Right here, click training, and it even shows you. It's very simple though, the payment instructions. Just put it in that little box. That's it. You don't have to create a button or any of that. Okay, so here's some training on the setup and the back office training. So you got payment instructions, you got back office training. Okay, but nothing spectacular. Okay, just some basic information, and you're ready to rock and roll within 5 minutes of purchasing the system. okay, because it's already set up for you. Now let me show you. Here's a few images that I use, and I can get you this information once you join me. Here's an image, okay, and then I put my Press 1 mobile number, have it put on there, and then here's another one. And you place these in ads, okay? You can place ads or place these all over social media, and it does the selling and telling, because people are going to read it, and they're going to call the number, and the number would do everything for you, okay? So what I do is I place some ads, and I post those pictures all around different places, classified ads and social media, and people call those numbers. So let me just show you some of the activity that I've got going on with my number. In your dashboard right here, it says calls received. It's going to show you all the calls, the phone numbers, and I put this over that to protect privacy of everybody's phone numbers. But right here it's giving you the date and time, and under here it says call list. It will show you all the phone numbers of the people that called your number. So I'm just thumbing through it so you can see what calls are coming into my number, and then I'm going to show you where it shows where people pressed 1 or they hung up. I'm going to move this over. Okay, see right here to the right, you see where it'll show either they hung up or they pressed 1, so you'll know what's going on. See right here, it shows you right here, press 1 or hung up. Okay, and right here you can download. See, it says download CSV file. I could literally download all the phone numbers that have called my number, and I can upload them to another system and do a text blast. Okay, so very simple system, but very powerful. Okay. Okay, so if you're interested in making $200 commissions over and over and over using a texting software, go check this out. Call this number 678-928-7745. Get all the details. If you have any questions, give me a call. Let me show you something real quick. I automate all this. I'm using 2 capture pages. Okay, so I'll put the link below for those as well. Let me show you how I automate that. Let me show you these pages. Okay, here's one page right here. As you can see, I made it really simple. Make 200 a day with your cell phone. If you're interested in this page, this is through the Conversion Pros. I'll give you my share code, and you can actually get this actual page. I've already created it with all the autoresponder email follow-up series. And then let me show you this other one. Okay, here's another system. Okay, and the autoresponder email follow-up series is already set up for this as well. So what you would do is you would put your link, okay, for the capture page into the back office of the Press 1 mobile, and that when people press 1, they would go to these capture pages. Okay, this way you can have the system follow up for you. Okay, I showed you guys just recently where a gentleman signed up with me. He said, hey, I got your email. He clicked the email, he signed up, and $200 I made just from the email. So the follow-up, okay, is key in any of these systems that you join. Any of these programs you join, you want to get the email follow-up series. Okay, so if you're ready to get started, go ahead and call that number, 678-928-7745. Get started with me in Press 1 Mobile. I look forward to working with you guys, and let's set up a marketing plan for you, okay, so that you can be successful with this. But any business opportunity, take this with you. It doesn't matter what you join online. You have to be consistent in your marketing. Either you're going to put the time in to promote the business opportunity, or you're going to put the money in for a vendor or a company to do the promotions for you. One of the two has to happen, okay? So I can help you with both. We just need to decide which direction you want to go. All right, guys, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, see you on the next video. You guys be safe out there. Have a blessed day.